Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we're going to be reviewing the Revlon one-step hair dryer, and it looks like this. It comes in a box like this. When you open it, it comes with a cord, and then it looks like this. It's pretty big to the hand. Like, it's actually like pretty big. Like, look at my hand compared to it. So it's pretty bulky. And it has the off, it has the cool, the low, and the high setting for it. The bristles feel pretty cool. It looks like it's easy to handle too. So I'm gonna be trying that out today, which is why I have my hair wet. It's kind of just like damp. I'm going to be putting a little bit of this cheese silk infusion for my hair. So yeah, let's get started. I'm just letting it air dry like a little bit, and I'm just gonna part in it and then get it going. Don't mind the big shirt either, because I'm literally just gonna do my hair and then like go back to sleep maybe. And then I'm gonna clip this side so it doesn't get in the way. So let's get going. I'm gonna try the low first and then see how the low feels on me, and then I will, I guess, try the high. So here we go, guys. Okay, so this is low. So let's try this. Ooh, it feels hot. Okay. I think I'm gonna put it on high. Okay. It might go a little faster. The hot is like super hot. Like, even for me, it's super hot. Like, when I let my hair go, it like, just with the heat of the hair, like burned my neck a little bit. Like, it just feels like super hot. Or no, you know what? It might be because I have a chain and it got the metal hot, probably. Dang it. Anyways, I'm just going. It feels soft already though. Ooh. Can y'all see it? Oh, look, it did a little flippy flip on the end. Okay. So then I don't know, I think I'm gonna try it low then, because the hot's like super hot, to be honest. So let's try the low. Let's keep going with the low. Whoops. Okay, well, here goes. It feels like super soft, to be honest. I don't know, let me see if I can see like how shiny it looks, besides these little baby hairs, you know. But let me see if y'all can see it. Can y'all see it, how shiny it is, or no? Because my hair is a little damaged too, so let's see. Can y'all see? This feels really healthy, actually. I think I'm gonna keep it on low though, because it burns. I mean, it's hot, like super hot. Let me do the other side. Nope. Well, it's a little harder to do. There you go. Got stuck in my hair. Hold on. That was weird. It hasn't been getting stuck to my hair, but it got stuck this one time. Ow! Did you see that? Why did it do that? I don't know. Feels like I put it in one of these little indentions of this side piece. I'm not sure, so I'm just gonna keep going then, I guess. can't do nothing with the other arm, so I don't know how to work with the other arm. Maybe that's why it keeps getting stuck. Let me see if I do it this way. Feels nice. Let's see if you can see the back. I'm sure I still have to do some of the back, but let's see what it looks. I think I still have like a wet spot right here, but can y'all see it? It feels really like soft, to be honest. Okay, I guess we'll keep going then. Okay, I'm gonna bring that other section down. Oui. I should have clipped the one that was already dry, huh? Thought it would have made more sense. Yeah, so it doesn't do this. Okay, well, let me do this top part first and then. Feels really soft. Okay. Let's start doing the other side. So this to the back. I'm just doing it this way so it can flatten out these little hairs. And these. A little frizzy, but like this. It's like flippy. Let's do the other side. So this is on the low setting and it's doing a pretty good job, and I have thick hair because the high setting is like super hot. We keep doing the rest. Actually, let's do like this. Okay. try to dry this way. Oh, this is nice. Let me do the back a little bit more. This is what it came out to. Look, it's like flippy, full of volume. I have like super thick hair too, by the way. But look, it's like a lot of volume in it. Let me show you the back. I like it. I think it's totally worth it. But don't put it on high heat because it will burn. But I like this. I think it cuts down half of my time that it takes me to blow dry it and straighten it. Because even when I straighten it to like have some volume. But I think I won't even need to straighten it after this. Should I do one of these as a giveaway? Let me know if I should do one of these as a giveaway. I like this a lot. I feel like I look like a señora. Let me know what you guys think about it because I am loving it. So yeah guys, this is the final product as you can see. And again, this was the Revlon one-step hair dryer. Looks like this. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, so you can enter our future giveaways. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.